Hello and welcome. I bet that at least once in your lifetime you had a thought that it would be nice to have a gadget which does the same functionality as this one. Well, at least I did. You can actually comment on that after you'll finish watching the video. You can also put a thumbs up if you'll find the content useful and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it, as it is pretty new. So let's begin. This gadget, the main purpose of it is to help you to put the line from a bobbin onto the spool. So let's talk a little bit about it and then I'll show you how it works. So it has those two parts. This one, it has, as you can see, it has those two threads. This one is for the bigger bobbins and this one is for the smaller ones. The second part, it has those 4 holes of a different diameter, and what you can do with it, you can unlock it and lock it into the same position. And also it has a hole over here where you actually put the first part. So that is basically it. The other thing which I really liked about it is that it is fully made from plastic, so it won't rust. So I've already prepared 2 bobbins, the bigger one and the smaller one, and I'm gonna basically show you how to properly put a bobbin onto the gadget. So what you do, you basically put the first part through the middle hole of a bobbin, then it goes into this hole here, and basically what you do, you just screw it, and that is basically it. Don't tighten it too hard, because if you'll do it, the bobbin won't spin when you will be putting the line onto the spool. So that's basically with the bigger bobbin, and I'll show you the same with a smaller one. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but, well, with a smaller bobbin and, well, as you can see, it fits pretty well. So let's do a quick demonstration, and also I'm gonna show you why it has those 4 holes, and I'm gonna take a rod for that. I've already put the gadget onto the rod, and as you can see, you use one of those 4 holes which suits your rod. And about the bobbin, just lock it so that it would move a little bit. And in that case, when you are going to be putting the line from a bobbin onto the spool, the line will have a tension on it and it won't come off from a bobbin. And, well, basically that is a basic setup, as you can see. And what you do, you just put the line onto the spool. As simple as that. Okay guys, I really hope that you've enjoyed the video and it was useful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.